Welcome to Best Gadget channel.
Imagine your rearview mirror transforming into an incredibly intelligent device. That with 1080p front camera and 9.66-inch big streaming media touchscreen that could show you crystal clear front and rear views and record highest quality videos to see more traffic information as well. A device that with 150-degree ultra-wide lens to cover the entire road ahead and capture all the critical details like license plates, signposts, etc. A device with AHD low exposure 1080p back camera and f1.8 6G glass plus 1 IR lens that greatly enhances night vision while you're reversing. That's also packed with the high-end image sensor which prevents video overexposure to give you a clear image of what's behind your car. Imagine a device with G-sensor, loop recording system, and 24 hours parking monitor to protect the built-in battery, so that the device will automatically turn on to record videos when detecting collision. And above all, imagine a device with all the mentioned features along with an exclusively external GPS system as well. Doesn't it seem incredibly unbelievable to have so many features combined into a single smart device? Introducing Rove M3 with 1080p front and rear camera, 9.66-inch big streaming media touchscreen, 140-degree ultra-wide lens reverse assistance, G-sensor, loop recording system, 24 hours parking monitor, and an exclusively external GPS system. Rove Dashcam, securing your drive to a safer future.
car accident could happen anytime, anywhere. You want to prevent it, but how? Let us introduce the Acumen XR10. With an advanced visual algorithm, Acumen XR10 digital rearview mirror alerts you when you're drifting away from your lane. Both front and rear camera records in 1080p at 30 frames per second. Along with the wide-angle lenses, XR10 is designed to expand your viewing angle and ensure your driving safety. The 9.66-inch digital screen displays real-time footage of the road, providing you with better clarity and increased field of vision. The 100-degree wide-angle lens reduces blind spots for the driver and makes it possible to make the maximum use of the cargo area. It also helps you when you're driving in compromised vision conditions, such as in the rain or at night, making sure you always have the best vision of the road. If an accident is inevitable, XR10 can help you minimize the loss by providing vital information for insurance claims. Acumen is always there for you because your safety is our priority.